What's your opinion? Making the final decision in the situation is very important. Let's watch this video and see what the characters do to make their own decisions. Buy a new car. Should we buy a new car, Ben? We can conveniently drive each other to work and go out as we like. What is your opinion, Ben? Yes, Sarah. Actually, I've been wanting to talk to you about this for a long time. We will buy a car. My salary is already good, so it makes sense to buy a car now. I have learned about some of the cars that are suitable for us. Do you want to watch it together? Of course, honey. Let me see. Here it is. I have already figured it out. We'll buy Toyota cars because they look good and save fuel. I agree. We can also watch other car brands if we can't choose the car for us here. Okay, Sarah. Look at this model. It is so elegant and luxurious. I like blue paint. Is this model available in blue color? Let me see. It seems they don't have the blue you want. What do you feel about the red one? I don't think I love it. Can we watch other cars? Okay, Sarah, there are a lot of car models for you. Don't worry. Oh, Ben, that one. Let me see. Yes, it has the blue you wish. And about the energy and inside the car? It's good. Okay, we will buy this car. Are you sure, Ben? We have only looked at a few samples, right? No, Sarah, this car is of good quality compared to other cars on the market. It also has a pretty good price and accompanying promotions. I think we should buy now to receive those incentives. Okay, honey, let's go to the garage and ask them for more information about this car tomorrow. Okay, let's go together.